Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you an update on Avalanche, a bit of AVAX. We're going to be breaking this down from a fundamental perspective, looking at this also from a technical analysis perspective, and going through and finding some bull market targets, some final prices, some tops, some areas that we can be looking for to target the height of this amazing alt season, which we are just slowly approaching here. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video, guys. Okay, so starting off, we're just going to be looking at AVAX here on CMC. And you can see here, it is 10th in the ranking right now with a market cap of around $17.7 billion, doing pretty well here over the last month. You're seeing it is up around 63.14% there with volume down actually, which is quite interesting. But yeah, we are seeing a very nice chart. If you're looking at the chart like that over the last month, it's looking pretty bullish overall, I would say. So that's the first point I'd like to cover there. In terms of volume, not great on the monthly here, but I'm sure it's a bit better. Oh no, this is over the last 24 hours. Sorry, not the monthly. For the last 7 days, we have seen an 18% gain here, and the last day we have seen roughly break even. Okay, and what does this mean for AVAX right now? Essentially, guys, it means we're overextended. Okay, for an asset to really explode like 60-70% here over the last month or so, it's very likely that we do see a pullback here. Now, with that being said, it is one of the leaders in the layer 1 space and also the leader in the real world asset space as well, being number 1 on the list with that $17 billion market cap. So that does pose the question, with real world assets really becoming sort of a trend here into this alt season and this lovely run that we're about to have and that we are currently in here for crypto, that we could see a lot more gains for this asset. Okay, so let's really break this down and look at some price targets for this. So I'm just going to jump right to the macro here. I'm talking the macro here. We're looking at the weekly chart here, guys, and you can see that we've obviously got a clear measure move to the upside here. Okay, a clear measure move to the upside, looking somewhat like this. If we do see an explosion like that, it is going to be pretty bullish. Okay, it will be pretty bullish here, and it will be worth just around 93%, probably even a little bit more than that if we do see this measure move actually complete itself. Okay, so let me know what you think of that in terms of a price prediction. I do think that we are going to have some grievances on the way, some resistance points that we need to be critical of. Okay, as you can see, we have had a previous resistance at these very crucial areas that I've got drawn in, and of course support. We need to be using them to our advantage throughout this position. Okay, so it would be an entry around here once we get that nice candle body close above all major moving averages at this time on the weekly, the 5-day, the 3-day, the daily, you name it. The further these moving averages get apart on the daily, the stronger the trend is going to be. And overall, it's not looking pretty bad. Okay, it's not looking bad at all. I would have expected a bit more heavy resistance from this trend line from the all-time high. Didn't get that, but we have seen stabilization, a nice bit of a consolidatory period here in this area. This usually means we're looking for that next leg up. If that is going to happen, when that's going to happen, we need to be very vigilant for a lovely entry at this point, and then basically riding that wave up for around that 95% move. It is a big move, guys, but the way that we can really manage this position and not get caught out in any traps here, we need to be staggering our take profit. So once we hit our first take profit at around this sort of area here, we take our stop loss wherever that may be and put that at our entry point. Okay, and then we're basically in a risk-free position. We've already taken out 25% of our equity. We're basically letting this bad boy run. If it runs, goes all the way to the top, amazing stuff. We made a lot of money there. Not quite 95%, but still a substantial amount of cash. But the goal here is to get into a lovely risk-free trade. Okay, so the trade will look somewhat like this, and the idea is to get it looking like this as quickly as possible, so you don't have a stop loss and your stop loss is at break even, but you've already taken out 25% of your equity in profit, and then the 75% of your equity left over is just basically left there risk-free to run and hopefully capitalize on this lovely move. Okay, so that's the sort of the safest way you can be trading crypto and positions like this for this lovely macro move. Or a safer way, if you're not doing futures, you can just simply buy AVAX, hold it, and let the bad boy run. Okay, it's a hodl position, hodl portfolio. If you do want to do that, there is a lot of money to be made there as well. Let me know what you think of AVAX in the comment section. Now let's talk about potential all-time highs for this asset and how much money could be made if that is going to happen. But just quickly, guys, if you are new to trading, if you're new and ready to commit to your trading journey, and you're looking for trading alerts, you're looking for trading guides, you're looking for a course, you're looking at how to trade just in general, if you're looking to commit to crypto, go over to the Patreon. Link is in the description. There's loads of memberships there as well. And if you are super new, there is actually a free guide that you guys can check out as well. Completely free. Go check it out. It basically shows you how to build a spot portfolio in this market. Okay, loads of good stuff over there. Go check that stuff out. And if you are looking to trade, guys, go over to btcc.com. It's a really, really good exchange, non-KYC. I think there's $5,000 worth of bonuses as well. Go check them out. You can trade AVAX there as well if you're looking to get involved with this position. And also Blowfin as well, guys. Great exchange, non-KYC. I think there's $6,000 worth of bonuses there as well. Go check them out. All the links are in the description. Now, back to the lovely bull market prediction for this asset. I do want to just jump over to Solana for the minute, just because Solana is obviously doing very, very well in the layer 1 space and just doing really well as an asset overall. AVAX is sort of similar in terms of the blockchain technology standpoint, but we haven't got the volume that Solana has. So Solana has got insane volume, primarily because of the meme coin space, and a lot of things are opting to build on Solana now just because it is one of the most popular chains now. Well, not the most popular, but one of the most popular, and it might be the most popular at one point. But you can see the volume is very, very high there. Now, it is around, well, not quite a 10x from where we currently are for AVAX, but it's probably around a 7 or 8x there away from AVAX. So if we're looking at Solana all-time high, we can actually, it's actually near enough there. In terms of a market cap, we like to do that. We did hit that back in on the 22nd of April, so fairly recently, 7 days ago. You can see $123 billion market cap there, whereas AVAX, we haven't really tapped on the any sort of all-time high level just as of yet. So back in 2021, we had the all-time high of around $30 billion market cap. That will be roughly a 2x from where we are now, not even at March highs. I think we're stupidly underpriced right now, and I do see potentially around a 3 to maybe 4, 5x on this asset. Now, in terms of a price prediction for that, the all-time high would be around a 3.3x, and then we're looking for around a 4. Let's see. We're looking for around a 4x, which will be 300% from this breakout point. And that will be putting the price of this asset up to around $186 a coin, which personally I do think is very achievable. And if we are looking at the previous 2021 run, you can see how violent and how aggressive this thing really started to explode to the upside. So what I'm saying to you guys is, don't miss this train. It's looking pretty good. There's clear positions here that we can be capitalizing on. The macro trend is solid. The micro trend is solid. Overall market structure is really, really good. I do think around a 4x is on the cards here for AVAX. Let me know what you think of AVAX and Avalanche, and whether you think a 4x is achievable. When did you buy AVAX? I would love to know whether you got in this run, whether you got in last run. What do you think about the tech? I'm dying to know. And if you found any sort of value here, guys, go and drop a like on the video. It's completely free to do so. I really appreciate that. Just click that like button. Takes 2 seconds. And again, if you want to commit to your trading, just go to the Patreon, link is in the description, and go support the channel. And also, you can really get a lot of value from all the packages that we put together there. Go check them out, okay? Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.